Greetings! Welcome back to my channel, Smartphone Tipster, where I present useful smartphone tips and information. Today's tip will help you to update the software on your Android device. You can follow these general steps. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and look for an option like Software Update. System Updates. Tap on it to access the update settings. As you can see on my video, on my smartphone, I tapped on Settings. Within the update settings, you should see an option to check for updates. Tap on it, and your device will connect to the server to see if any updates are available. Currently, as you can see, I have a notification letting me know that an update is available. I can also quickly move forward to install it by clicking Update. If there was no notification on my phone, I could also navigate to Software Update, where I am moving to now. There is a colored bullet point indicating there is an update available about the software. If there's no indication here, you can still perform a check by tapping Download and Install. If an update is available, your device will display a message indicating a new software version. It will also provide information about the size of the update. Tap on the Download or Update button or Install Now, as in my case, to start the update process. During the installation process, your device may restart, so make sure you have enough battery power or connect it to a power source. The installation process may take some time, depending on the size of the update. Your device will display a progress bar or a message indicating the installation progress, as can be seen here. After the installation is complete, your device may automatically restart. If it doesn't, you can manually restart it to ensure that the update takes effect. Once the restart is completed, you may receive a notification confirming the software has been updated, as can be seen here. It's worth noting that the steps and terminology may vary slightly depending on your Android device's manufacturer and the version of Android you are using. Additionally, some devices may have an option to enable automatic updates, allowing your device to check for updates periodically and download and install them automatically. Remember to back up your important data before performing any major software updates, just in case anything goes wrong during the process. It's important to keep your phone software up to date, as updates often include bug fixes, security patches, and new features that can improve your device's performance and protect it from potential vulnerabilities. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel so you get notified when there is a new upload. I wish you all a very pleasant remaining day. Until next time, take care.